Good good morning to one and all. My name is Jidroya. I am studying 8th standard. Today I am telling a story named The Fight. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Ranji. He lived a less than a month in Rajpur. He found out a pool in the middle of the forest. One day he was roaming in the forest alone. He won't have any friends in Rajpur still. He found out a pool which is very clear and clean. The bubbles were appearing in the pool clearly. He thought nothing and he jumped into the pool. He jumped into the pool and swam. He swam for a long time. He thought he always went to swim with his friends or alone. He thought that in his village, in Thirsty town, in the middle of the Rajputana desert, he observed only the sticky and muddy pools where buffaloes are washing, women are washing their clothes. There in the forest, he won't observe any buffaloes or women are washing their clothes. Next, after some day, he went to home and he came next day. He swam and he sat on a rock. One boy standing beside the pool. Ranji asked that boy, come we both will swim in this pool. But that boy said, this pool is mine. Why are you swimming here? Who gave permission to swim here? But Ranji said, pool is yours. No, this pool is all. The boy said, if you won't go from here, I will slap you. But that Ranji said, I won't go from here if you will fight me. If you want to fight me, fight. But that boy said, I am a warrior. I won't fight with a villager. Then Ranji said, I am not a villager, I am a fighter. Then both fight for a long time. After some time, they both are relaxed and they said, tomorrow we will fight. After some time, Ranji went to home. His mother asked her that what are the injuries. But Ranji said something and he went out of the home. He sat on a chair in the market and he eating jalebis and drinking the lemon soda. Suddenly he saw that boy who he fought. Ranjit thought that I won't see that boy. When he comes near to me, I will throw this bottle. But Ranjit did nothing in that. After some time, they both went to home. Next day, Ranjit feeling and health was fever. Health was not good. He won't go for fight. But Ranjit thought that he will think that very bad, and he always bully me if you don't go now. What happened? I will go now. He both went to there. He stand on a rock. Then that boy standing other side of the pool. Then that warrior said, come by swimming this side, we will fight. Ranji sharply jumped into the pool and went to that side. That warrior shocked and asked, how you swim like, how would you swim like that? Please learn me that, teach me that. But Ranji said, if you want, I will teach you. Then Ranji teacher for some time. After they both sat on a rock, that warrior said, I am a pahalwan. I am a pahalwan. See my arms. He said, Ranji said, those are very strong. Please teach me how to build that like arms. Then that warrior said, if you teach me how to swim, I will teach you how to build these arms. At last, they both became friends. Thank you.